Elastic threads are a fantastic solution for hygiene products. They not only make them tight, but also flexible. Isn't it strange then that the insertion of threads has so far been anything but flexible? For manufacturers, the fixation process of threads is usually expensive and really complex. Well, we heard your needs, and we have found a unique solution to make your process not only easier, but also cheaper. And now I'll tell you how we managed to do it. Until now, the most common solution was to use glue. Not an optimal solution, but one of the few ones that worked. But thanks to our patented ultrasonic technology, you can now do without it once and for all. Our systems bond the threads without the use of chemicals, which not only protects your material, but also your wallet. Sounds good, doesn't it? In addition, not using adhesives makes your product and your entire manufacturing process more eco-friendly. And that's something we all benefit from. Eliminating adhesives has another key advantage. The product is finally truly flexible, so there is no negative influence to your raw materials. This makes wearing your product more comfortable than ever before. At the same time, the threads are protected and hold reliably. After all, no one wants something to leak out that would have been better left in, right? Better safe than sorry. And a safe, consistent result is something we can offer you with our technology. And another great thing about our patented solution is how economical it is. Downtime to clean the machines? That's now a thing of the past. Heating up before production process? You can forget that too. With our systems, your production runs and runs and runs. And thanks to the process reliability of ultrasonic bonding, you can reduce your rejects significantly. So with our solution, you not only reduce your costs, but also increase your output. We provide real flexibility. Are you curious about how we can do the same for you? Then visit our ultrasonic laboratory and we will bring your product to the next level. Just get in contact with us by clicking on the link in the video description below.